name is Joseph Kimboa. I work with HiPipo. We are organizing this in partnership with MTN Mobile Money and MOVIT. And the idea is to train us in digital and financial literacy. As women traders, one of the biggest tenets of doing business is having an understanding of especially financial literacy. But in this modern age, digital literacy is equally important.
So we are here for digital and financial literacy training. Financial literacy means having knowledge, skills, and confidence in spending your money. Now, if we are not confident when we are spending money, that means we are financially indisciplined. That also means that we are financially illiterate. So how can our lives change? How can we be financially literate? How can we be financially disciplined? There are many ways that our lives can change in managing our finances. And one of them is personal financial management. With personal financial management, it involves you determining what is it that you need and what is it that you want. So personal financial management helps us to decide what we should do with our money and set financial goals.
Before MTN MoMo brought international remittances, we used to go to bus stations to collect money. We used to send money in an envelope to our relatives, to South Sudan, to wherever your people are coming from. MTN MoMo has made life easy, so you're just going to pick your phone and you send that money without any hassle.
In celebration of Women's Day, I would like to thank HiPipo, the organizers of this program. We also thank you, the women, for coming. We also send our thanks to the partners, that is MTN MoMo, and then MOVIT. MOVIT has given us very